Alex here with Alex Perez Roofing, and today we're in the city of Auburn getting ready to replace this roof right before Halloween. We're going to ensure their roof is watertight. When it comes to a tile roof replacement, homeowners choose it because it gives it a better aesthetic look. It's a system that can last 50 years with the proper installation, and one that you can really match and fit it to your home depending on what color exterior you have. When it comes to a tile replacement, here are our 3 standards. We're gonna do an amazing job, a good foundation roof system, but we're also gonna make sure that the property is clean, that we're working in a safety manner, that we're not blasting music through the whole neighborhood, and we're making sure that we're delivering a good experience, and on top of that, communication every single day in and day out, so you know exactly what's going on through the whole entire replacement, all the way into your final inspection. When it comes to a true 50-year system, there is no shortcuts. We want to make sure that all the nails and all the roofing material is hauled off the roof. We want to make sure we replace any dry rot that is found upon removal of the roof. We want to make sure we put the better underlayment of redwood batting system that's going to ensure that the tiles are in place. Make sure we put the proper ventilation and a true 50-year tile roof system that's going to last. If every step is done right through the tile process installation, you're going to ensure a true 50-year system with a warranty that's in-house and also backed up by the manufacturer, because everything was done to code and done the way it's supposed to be done to ensure your home is watertight. So if you're interested in a new tile concrete roof system, give us a call. We'll come out and inspect your underlayment and inspect your tile roof. You can reach us at 916-910-5542 or alexperezroofing.com to ensure your home is watertight.